Alright guys, welcome again to my tutorial video today on how you can use order block to pick your trade, then to look for nearest resistance level and take your TP. Alright, so do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, share this video if you want to get content like this on how to analyze markets, financial markets, crypto and forex. Do well to subscribe and turn on the bell icon to be getting more updates when I drop video like this in my next comment video. So right now we normally trade EURUSD, GBP JPY, GBP USD, and SAUSD. All right, so I like to trade EURUSD because it's welcome pair that is very easy to trade as for beginner. All right, it's not very volatile, so you guys can can make some money with this particular pair with its euro. It's very slow and easy to understand for beginner, so that is why I'm trying to stick to it at the moment. So right now we are on the, let's check the weekly candle so that you guys can see. On the weekly candle we see a lot of bullish momentum from this to this particular level. We can see on the weekly time frame. All right, so right now, but after the market come to this particular zone, we see some rejections, right, on this particular level. All right, so let's go to our, you can see we see a bullish momentum right now on what, on a weekly time frame. So let's go back to our daily time frame to check what is going on. So right now we can see, because of we see some pullback, on the, the markets rally. Let me show you so that you guys can see it clearly, so that you guys can see what I'm trying to explain to you. You can see from this particular zone around this area, we see a lot of markets, bullish come here. So after that, when markets come to that zone, we see from this particular zone, the markets come down drastically. You can see, come down what? Drastically. Let me even show you better so that you guys can see it very clearly on this particular area. You can see, I can use my distance to just, the markets peak from this level to this level. All right, after that, the markets come down, come and retest this level. You can see, then we see another push here. The markets push more and come back here again. So the market is trying to do what again? To pick again, to come and retest this particular level. All right, you can see. So that is what I expect. This particular area can be can be a support level. All right, you can mark it at let me just try to mark this one as your support level. So that is what the market want to do right now. You can see I've already even draw it for you, that the market drastically moved from this level to this level, and the market dropped down again for a test to this level, and the market come here again and retest again, and it's trying to do what? Trying to go up back again right now. So now, but today I normally trade at New York section, so this is daily time frame. So, and we can easily draw our strong resistance around, let's say, this level. Yeah, we can draw our resistance around this level. Yeah, you can see our resistance can be around this level. Yeah, we can, we can pick it because it's a it's a daily candle. So let's go back to our 4 hours candle. All right, can you see on our 4 hour candle, I've already show you guys. This is our 4-hour candle. Let's try to. All right, so I picked some trade here as well today on our 4 hours candle today. All right, so if you want to, let's say I want to trade on our 4-hour candle, I want to pick some random coin on 4 hours candle here. I want to show it clearly so that you guys can see what I'm doing. So we see a lot of breaks. Yeah, the market break this level. The market we see broke of structure. This level, can you see the market broke this level on 4 hours time frame? We can call it the broke. All right, the market broke that level on the on 4 hours time frame. So it broke this level. You can see this level on 4 hours time frame. Then when the market broke, so and I go to my, let's say, 30 minutes time frame, you can see clearly on the 30-minute time frame, when the market broke this level, you can see it broke this particular level on 30 minutes. All right, so what I do is that can you see this is the recent broke? Let me show you this area. The market broke. All right, this level. Okay, let me just show you better so that you guys can see what I'm doing. All right, so I'll show you what I'm doing here. So the market just broke this level and I'm waiting for a test. So this is what the market do. It just broke. All right, and retest more. Retest. All right, here small and do it again. Broke. So now I'm expecting, then what I do is that I just wait for the market to come back here again. All right, to retest this level. You can see. So I wait for the market just drastically go up here. I wait for it pull back small. It go back. Then I'm wait. This is the origin. So what I do, let me just try to, so I just go to, I can go to my 15-minute time frame, right, to pick some trade. So on the 15-minute time frame, guys, can be seen how I picked that particular trade around, New York. Let me even show you New York. This is the 1 hour candle. You can see this is 1 hour. But let me just go to 15 minutes for clarity. So on the 15-minute candle, can you see this is the confirmation 15-minute close, and I try to let me look for my bullish long position. I try to wait for the market to come to this area level, and I take my TP downward. You can see. So this is how I just picked that particular trade using the order block. Then I take my TP, that's all. So this is my stop loss. All right, around this level. All right, in case the market, and you can see this is how the market just play out and I make my money. Very simple. So what I do, I just check my left here. This is the recent breakout. Can you see this is the recent? Let me just show you on the arrow. This is the recent I want to show you so that you guys can see what I'm trying to show you. All right, so this is the recent breakout. The market break from this level. All right, it retrace it. All right, it break from this part. The market try to break this level and go here. Then I wait for a test here. Then I take my TP. It's that simple and easy. If you want to learn more about Forex, or you want to join my free Telegram channel, even let me show you my Telegram channel where I dropped the signal today. All right, this is my channel where can you see I dropped this particular signal here. You can see it here on my Telegram channel that you guys should buy, so everybody makes money. You can see this is the result so far here. You can see this is where I enter. You can see it here, and everybody makes money. You can see this is how we make the money in our Telegram channel. So if you want to join, you can join the link down below this video. You can see you can register with my recommended broker down below. So you guys can join us to build the community together. So guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel to be getting updates, content like this. You can see how I just analyze the market, and the market play out very, very well for me. All right, using this particular sniper entry. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now, guys.